Piney Flats is an aftermarket site where we do new aircraft customization, refurbs on used helicopters, MRO, so maintenance, repair, and overhaul for aircraft, CRO, component repair and overhaul, and then we also house our aeronautical accessories brand there in Piney Flats. You have this constant stream feeding it of information, of feedback that I think is some of the power for Bell at Piney to go, how do we become even better and how do we become and stay the best? My name is David Galick. I'm the general manager for Piney Flats. And really some of the beauty of Piney Flats, it's been there for 45 years, is the symbiotic relationship between the aircraft services side, the aeronautical accessory side, and the repair services side. So you really have customers in all the time, so you get the steady flow of ideas, how's it working, how's the kits, how's the parts, and then you have the new aircraft side, which is what's the latest and greatest we're putting on in the aircraft in the marketplace. When we get our job done right, we get to walk away with a satisfied feeling of seeing that customer walk in to the delivery center. We got the special lights on their aircraft, see them light up going, wow. And I've seen that over and over. This is amazing. And that's special. It keeps all of the things we do special to me as well, because it's like seeing these things for the first time, and it doesn't get old. These aircraft are awesome. And they do great things, they save lives, they help make people more efficient, they keep our infrastructure going. These are important roles that helicopters play, and to be a part of delivering that is phenomenal.